Study vocabulary of phrases. Number 1 drama ល្ខោន Number 2 think in advance គិតទុកមុន Number 3 do immediately ធ្វើភ្លាមៗ Number 4 words of scholars សម្ដីអ្នកប្រាជ្ញ Number 5 direct the story ដឹកនាំរឿង Number 6 narrate the story រៀបរាប់រឿង Number 7 on the other hand ម្យ៉ាងវិញទៀត Number 8 artist សិល្បករ Number 9 dancer អ្នករាំ Find out the word Khmer mass theater. Find out the word Khmer mass theater. ស្វែងយល់ពាក្យល្ខោនខោល The word khol or word Khmer mass theater, according to the dictionary of Samdach Preh Sankarit Junat, defines khol as the male drama actors រឿងរាមកេរ្តិ៍ The word khol or word Khmer mass theater, according to the dictionary of Samdach Preh Sankarit Junat, defines khol as the male drama actors រឿងរាមកេរ្តិ៍ ពាក្យខោលឬល្ខោនខោលបើតាមវចនានុក្រមសម្ដេចព្រះសង្ឃរាជជួនណាតបានឲ្យនិយមន័យខោលថាគឺជាពួកល្ខោនប្រុសរឿងរាមកេរ្តិ៍ As for George Zedes, he said that the Khmer mass theater is a theater of monkey dance. As for George Zedes, Khmer said that the Khmer mass theater is a theater of the monkey dance. ចំណែកលោកសសដេសថាល្ខោនខោលគឺជាល្ខោននៃរបាំស្វា In particular, the word khol in the line of the Khmer people, they often use this word to identify cows or buffaloes with short horns and crooked, downed or short-tailed monkeys, or otherwise when they say do something khol. In particular, the word khol in the line of the Khmer people, they often use this word to identify cows or buffaloes with short horns and crooked down to mark short-tailed monkeys or otherwise when they say do something khol. ដោយឡែកពាក្យខោលក្នុងជីវភាពប្រជាជនខ្មែរវិញគេនិយមប្រើពាក្យនេះសម្រាប់សម្គាល់គោឬក្របីដែលមានស្នែងខ្លីហើយខុបចុះក្រោមឬក៏សម្គាល់សត្វស្វាកន្ទុយខ្លីឬមិនដូច្នេះទេបើកាលណាគេនិយាយថាធ្វើអ្វីមួយខោលតែម្ដង That means that doing something is done without planning or thinking in advance, that is, thinking immediately or meeting immediately, doing immediately. That means that doing something is done without planning or thinking in advance, that is, thinking immediately or meeting immediately, doing immediately. នោះបានសេចក្តីថាធ្វើអីមួយនោះគឺធ្វើដោយឥតព្រៀងទុកឬគិតទុកជាមុនឡើយពោលគឺគិតភ្លាមឬជួបភ្លាមធ្វើភ្លាមតែម្ដង The words of scholars and the popularity of the Khmer people in recognizing call to this Khmer mass theater have a very good meaning because if we look at the Khmer mass theater form that remains to us today, the words of scholars and the popularity of the Khmer people in recognizing the call of this Khmer mass theater have a very good meaning because if we look at the Khmer mass theater form that remains to us today, សម្ដីរបស់អ្នកប្រាជ្ញបណ្ឌិត និងការនិយមរបស់ប្រជាជនខ្មែរក្នុងការសម្គាល់ល្ខោនឬល្ខោនខោលនេះមានអត្ថន័យសមរម្យល្អណាស់ព្រោះបើយើងពិនិត្យមើលទម្រង់ល្ខោនខោលដែលសេសសល់ដល់យើងសព្វថ្ងៃនេះ We see that Khmer Mass Theatre is a theatre-making and predictable casual dancer to imitate the words of the speaker who has the role of directing or narrating the story. We say that Khmer Master is a theatre-making and predictable casual dancer to imitate the words of the speaker who has the role of directing or narrating the story. យើងឃើញថាល្ខោនខោលគឺជាល្ខោនពាក់មុខអ្នករាំធ្វើកាយវិការព្រៀងទុកជាមុនដើម្បីត្រាប់ពាក្យសម្ដីរបស់អ្នកពោលដែលមានតួនាទីដឹកនាំរឿងឬរៀបរាប់រឿង This form performs only one Rimke story, a story full of giant characters and monkeys. This form performs only one Rimke story, a story full of giant characters and monkeys. ទម្រង់នេះសម្ដែងបានតែរឿងរាមកេរ្តិ៍មួយគត់ដែលជារឿងពោរពេញទៅដោយតួអង្គយក្សហើយនិងស្វា On the other hand, this form of Khmer mass theatre is a form in which all male artists are dancers, even female characters such as Niang Sita, Niang Madokeri, Niang Ponyakai, or Savanmacha. On the other hand, this form of Khmer mass theatre is a form in which all male artists are dancers, even female characters such as Niang Sita, Niang Madhukari, Niang Ponyakai, also one matcha. Excerpted from the book Khmer Spectacle 2003 ម្យ៉ាងទៀតទម្រង់ល្ខោនខោលនេះជាទម្រង់ដែលមានសុទ្ធតែសិល្បករប្រុសជាអ្នករាំសូម្បីតួស្រីដូចជានាងស៊ីដានាងម៉ាដូគិរីនាងពញ្ញាកាយឬសូវណ្ណមច្ឆាក៏ដោយដកស្រង់ពីសៀវភៅទស្សនីយភាពខ្មែរឆ្នាំ2003 Cambodia's mass theatre was inscribed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity list on November 28, 2018. Cambodia's mass theatre was inscribed on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity list on November 28, 2018 ល្ខោនខោលរបស់កម្ពុជាត្រូវបានអង្គការ UNESCO ដាក់បញ្ចូលទៅក្នុងបញ្ជីបេតិកភណ្ឌវប្បធម៌អរូបីនៃមនុស្សជាតិនៅថ្ងៃទី28ខែវិច្ឆិកាឆ្នាំ2018 Study vocabularies of phrases. Number 1 drama ល្ខោន Number 2 think in advance គិតទុកមុន Number 3 do immediately ធ្វើភ្លាមៗ Number 4 words of scholars សម្ដីអ្នកប្រាជ្ញ Number 5 direct the story ដឹកនាំរឿង Number 6 narrate the story រៀបរាប់រឿង Number 7 on the other hand ម្យ៉ាងវិញទៀត Number 8 artist សិល្បករ Number 9 dancer អ្នករាំ Thank you